In this video, you will learn how to unlink your Konami ID from eFootball. Go to the Konami ID website, open your web browser and visit the official ID login page. Sign into your Konami account, enter your email address and password linked to your eFootball account to access your Konami ID settings. Open your linked services section. Once you're logged in, navigate to the linked services or linked accounts to view all platforms connected to your Konami ID. Locate eFootball from the list. Find eFootball on the specific platform, such as Xbox, PlayStation, Steam or mobile, currently linked to your account. Then click Unlink or Remove Connection, selecting Unlink option next to your eFootball connection to disconnect from your Konami ID. Save and confirm your changes. Review the warning message, confirm your choice and save your settings. Your eFootball account will now be unlinked from your Konami ID. Now you know how to unlink your Konami ID from eFootball. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.